Okay, let's get straight to the facts. First, what Tesla is doing right now is a very powerful bullish reaction. Yes, it is. Secondly, this reaction is taking place just as it reached a critical support level while it was trading around a clearly oversold area. This reaction just above its support area forms an insane bottom pattern, and if triggered, we could see Tesla finally reversing this bearish sentiment over here. I will explain what's going on in detail and of course, in my humble opinion, but first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's study Tesla stock together. On this chart over here, the daily chart, we see that Tesla is reacting nicely. This reaction is promising, okay? In my humble opinion, it is a promising reaction. However, we are still bearish, all right? Tesla is still in a bear trend. How so, Nathan? Because we are still making lower highs, lower lows. If we see Tesla making higher highs, higher lows, a trait of a bull trend, all right, we finally officially reversed the bearish sentiment. Right now, we are reacting nicely. This reaction is promising, but we have yet to see more bullish structures over here, chart structures on the daily chart, in my humble opinion, before saying that Tesla is going to reverse the mid-term bearish sentiment. Mid-term bearish sentiment. Now, if we take a look at this chart over here, we see that Tesla was trading last week and this week as well. Tesla was trading around a very strong oversold area. After earnings over here, we see the Bollinger Bands expanding. We see that Tesla even lost the 200 moving average over here, while the RSI was below the 30s. So this is a very specific oversold area, right? So Tesla was facing very serious problems. But right now, we are trying to react. Apparently, the 200 moving average is acting as a short-term resistance level for Tesla, along with the possibility of a retest of the 21 EMA on the daily chart. So this area over here, around the 200 moving average, around the 21 EMA on the daily chart, is supposed, in theory of course, is supposed to act as a possible resistance level. If we're gonna see a top signal here or not, I don't know. So far, there is no bearish reaction. There is no top signal, clear top signal on Tesla stock right now at this moment. All right, but of course, in my humble opinion, guys, I'm just a retail trader, all right, sharing my thoughts, my ideas here on my YouTube channel. But if you ask my humble opinion, I think it is very good to see Tesla breaking the previous support level at $212, which was a support level on August 18 over here. This red circle, it was a support level over here. It tried to act as a support level again multiple times last month, but we lost the support level, okay? Apparently, the bottom line of this descending channel did work as our main support level, and right now we are bouncing again. It is very good to see Tesla breaking the 212 today. Very good, and it is even better to see that the 212 area is acting as a short-term support level. So this is why I'm telling you guys, this reaction is promising, all right? It is promising. We just have to see Tesla breaking its mid-term resistance levels and of course making a clear higher high, higher low in order to call it a bull trend again. Now, if we take a look at the indices over here, the indices are looking very, very strong. We see SPY found a bottom level around this area over here, right? The 409. It did a particularly interesting bullish candlestick pattern, suggesting a reversal, call it above the stomach candlestick pattern. QQQ did a similar reaction right above right above, it is very similar to Tesla, right? Right above the bottom line of its own descending channel. Here we see a homing pigeon candlestick pattern, which was officially triggered on October 30, suggesting a future bounce. Right now, both QQQ and SPY are exploding. They are flying. They broke their 21 EMAs, which was my personal target on both of them. And I did share this trading idea on my Telegram channel. So join our Telegram channel if you want to keep in touch with premium insights, premium buy and sell signals, access to my own auto trading signals, which are also very reliable, by the way. So many trading ideas, trading strategies, risk management tips. You are going to find all of that on our Telegram channel. So come on, just join us over there. We nailed this bottom signal on the indices, and I believe we are gonna nail other trades as well. So technically speaking, from a technical point of view, this movement is extremely precise, extremely specific. Now, SPY is exploding. If we take a look at the weekly chart, we see that this reaction is occurring just after it hit the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. On the weekly chart, we see another above the stomach candlestick pattern so far, at least, right? Very similar to this pattern over here, another above the stomach on the daily chart. So we see many good bullish signals on SPY and on QQQ as well. QQQ is a little bit better than SPY in my humble opinion because we see a possible bullish flag over here. And if triggered, tech stocks are going to trigger their own bullish rallies as well. We're gonna see Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, all of these stocks are going to finally reverse and explode. And this is particularly critical for Nvidia, which this week was on the verge of triggering this head and shoulders chart pattern, right? This was extremely dangerous, but right now, if you ask me, tech stocks are trying to avoid such bearish scenario. And back to Tesla, let me make this line a little bit more thin over here. Back to Tesla, it is very good to see Tesla reacting right around its critical support level because in addition to this descending channel, to this bottom line of this descending channel, on the weekly chart, Tesla is still trading around a very important support level. We see the $217, the previous top level from February this year, which did act as a support level on August this year. We briefly lost the support area this week and last week as well. We lost the $212 and we almost lost the 208 support area over here. But right now, we are reacting right around this triple support level as seen on the weekly chart. So this yellowish area, right? I don't know if you guys can see. Let me make this a little bit more easier for you guys to see, like here, okay, here. So this yellow area is a very important support area for Tesla, and seeing such good reaction on the weekly chart right around this support area is quite impressive, okay? It is. And again, this is why I'm telling you guys, this reaction is promising, okay? It is promising. In addition to what we see on SPY, to what we see on QQQ, massive bullish reactions, Apple, massive bullish reaction, Microsoft, incredible bullish reaction, Google, good bullish reaction around its support level, Amazon, simply exploding. We see Nvidia making another very good bullish reaction right above its own support area. So Tesla has everything to fly again. We just gotta see it breaking its support levels. I'm so sorry, its own resistance levels. And if you are not a subscriber, you got to subscribe. Otherwise, Tesla is going to crash again. Unless if you are short in Tesla. If you are short in Tesla, Tesla is gonna explode. If you don't subscribe to this channel. Either way, subscribe to this channel because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla, SPY, QQQ, and on many other stocks as well. So come on, subscribe, click the like button to support this channel. So this reaction has a name. So far, this is a hammer candlestick pattern, which is a very promising bullish reaction. Statistically speaking, a hammer candlestick pattern reaches its target roughly 88% of the time, according to Bukowski's studies. So yes, it is a promising bullish reaction. Tesla could easily retest higher resistance levels, but in order for Tesla to actually reverse the bearish sentiment, we gotta see higher highs, higher lows, and we gotta see Tesla breaking the 21 EMA on the daily chart, just like SPY and QQQ are doing right now. Because by breaking the 21 EMA, if we see the indices losing momentum again, the 21 EMA is supposed to act as a support level next. So this could act as a possible support level in order for the indices to resume their own bullish sentiment as well, making higher highs, higher lows. So this is the ideal scenario. So this is why Tesla has to break its 21 EMA. It is making a very good reaction this week. Yes, it is. It is promising. But we gotta see a real reversal materializing. If it does, great. I believe Tesla is going to explode to much higher levels. Maybe it is going to even close this gap at 242 over here. Remember, Tesla always closes the gaps that appear above the price. It does not necessarily close the gaps that appear below the price, because we still see open gaps from 2013, for instance, 2012. But the gaps that appear above the price, they all got filled so far. So let's just wait for more confirmation. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. So subscribe, join our Telegram channel for premium insights, buy and sell signals. I highly appreciate your support, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.